No, this ain't the Smokies. This is my old stomping ground. I managed to get up home here every once in a while, and I'd head over across the mountains here in southeast Kentucky, back into Tennessee, right on the borderline. This is old coalfield country. Old coalfield country. I'm coming across Bondi Mountain, down into a place called Clarfield, Tennessee. Pruden, Egan, old coalfield country. But there's no coalfields anymore. There's no tourists over in here. These are just homegrown mountain people. Well, it's always been here. And I bet you I didn't see 2 cars of the 20 miles I traveled over in here. But anyway, I come to meet up with an old buddy, like Bigfoot. We'd growed apart over the years, but we'd spend a lot of time together in our younger years. And I met him over here and followed him home, and we talked all day long. He showed me the area, a lot of history, told me a lot of stories too. Mountain mysteries and ghost stories to come. But anyway, we sat down, had a good talk, and we used to play in a band together years ago. He's a good musician. And I noticed he had some instruments here that I hadn't seen. And he told me a little story about a good one here, an old Dulcimer, an old family heirloom that was given to him. And I thought I'd share it with you. This is just the start of so many little stories. So, hope you enjoy. Well, Kurt, that's a nice Dulcimer you got there. Where'd you get that at?
Okay, it was given to me by one of our friends. And I didn't think much about it. I've always liked the sound of dulcimers and everything, but I never actually played one. And really still don't know how to play. I don't really take the time. But anyway, I got looking at the Dulcimer. I thought, how old is that thing and where did it come from? And I looked down in the sound hole and there was a sticker there. And I did a little investigation on my sticker, and it tells that it was made by a man named Bill Walker in Elkhorn, Kentucky. And it says Green River Dulcimers. And it was made in the bicentennial year. He's got it marked right in there, 8th month of 76. And so I went to Google, and I Googled Green River Dulcimers, Elkhorn, Kentucky. And I saw the story of Bill Walker, that he made these dulcimers. And he had his business, and he left Kentucky and he went to Asheville. And I can't remember the year exactly, but it was in the 70s. And he got murdered. He got killed in a home invasion. And his children stopped production, and they didn't continue on with his business. So it's got a little bit of story to it, and I really enjoy it. There's nothing more traditional American mountain sound than a mountain dulcimer. They have the most authentic, beautiful sound of any instrument ever. And I could probably learn to play a tune on it if I took the time to practice. I really don't, but they just got such a beautiful sound. Love that sound.
Beautiful. Well, there you go. Don't let nobody fool you. He's a good musician. He could play just about anything. But anyway, thought I'd share that with you. That's just the first of many little stories that me and him got together and he told me. And I'll share them with you over the next few weeks about old mountain mystery stories of his times and experiences, old ghost stories, and these old coal fields of Clarfield in the area. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. This is just a starter. So, thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you next time.